if you are wondering if we have a bloatware on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, then the answer is yes, at least partially, you can say that. If you just go through the initial configuration, if you go to the app drawer after the first setup, you will notice that you have, of course, standard Google apps, and these are pretty much available on every Android smartphone, but there are some Samsung apps as well, which for me is quite obvious because, well, Samsung implements Samsung apps, why not? But what is quite interesting, we also have a bunch of different apps that I'm not sure if they should be implemented by default. So for example, we have some Microsoft apps, so they can be, of course, considered as bloatware. There is no reason to have them immediately on our smartphone. There is also Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Music, although this is the Google app, so I guess it's somewhat okay to have it, I guess. But yeah, as you can see, quite a bit of apps that could be limited. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.